Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're setting up the budget for February. I'm very excited for the video, so let's start. Before we do start, I want to remind you I'm doing a giveaway on my channel. All of the requirements and all of the explanation is in my cash condensing video. I'm gonna link it up here in the corner, but please, if you want to apply, send me a DM on Instagram because YouTube deletes comments and I'm super annoyed by that, but I do want to give a fair shot to everybody who wants to apply. So I'm just doing this little disclaimer. Please send me a DM on Instagram. Thanks. So let's start with February. First, let's fill up our little month at a glance page. So I have these little cute post-it notes. So first, kind of the biggest thing I have going on this month is my Maldives trip. I'm super excited. I can't believe that it's coming like so soon. I'm going to be gone from the 21st of February, 24th of February until the 7th of March. So that's kind of the biggest thing here. And then my friend Victoria is moving away. So Victoria going away party. And that's happening on the 5th of February. And then also kind of a big thing, Valentine's Day is coming this month as well. I don't really have any plans, but I think it's worthy to mention it here. And then I'm gonna leave this fourth one blank, which maybe I will fill in after the month, a little summary of the month. So February is here with a beautiful gradient. So let's flip through the calendar and I'll quickly go over all of the biggest things I have going on this month. So let's start with, so this is the 31st. So I'm filming this video on the 1st of February. So February, budget with me. And then on, I believe on the 8th, I do have a payday. Payday number 2, because my first one is probably going to be on the 3rd. So payday number 1. Victoria party is on the 5th. So that's very important. And then Valentine's Day is on the 14th. Valentine's Day, very huge thing. 13th is my laser appointment. Not a big deal, but still worthy of mentioning. And then I have a therapy appointment on the 9th and also on the 23rd. And then I do have my sister's name day on the 16th. Sister's name day that we're gonna probably celebrate. And then I leave for Maldives starting on the 24th, all throughout this week as well. So I'll probably have to pre-film some videos, but we'll see. And I think that's all, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, no, I do have a tattoo appointment here on the 2nd. And then I also think I have a dentist appointment on the 6th. I think so. I'm not sure. Maybe on the 20th. We'll see. I'll probably move this around. But that's kind of how the month looks like. About the other paydays, I'm not sure when I'm receiving those. So I will write them down as I go on. But that's kind of for the monthly layout. And let's start today with our little balances. We're going to count the balances and it's going to be a fun time. So let's start from the end here. A buffer is in my cash envelopes and I do know that it has 50 in here. So that's what I'm going to write down. And then we start with our sinking funds. Let's start. I'm going to flip this so it's easier. We have more room. And we can start with, let me check if it's in frame. It is in frame. That's great. So we'll start with beauty. And beauty has, I'm going to grab my calculator. Beauty has 30 nails, plus laser has 50, 100, 150, 170, 180, 190, 200, 210, 215, 20, 25, 30. So 230 in laser. Then we have in hair 20 and 40, plus medicine, no, not medicine, facials has 20, 30, 35, 40, 45. And products have 50, 75. So in total, that's 420 for beauty. So let's put this back for beauty. And then birthdays is next, and we have fully funded 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So we have fully funded my friend's birthday, that's in February. So we're gonna start working on my godmother's birthday with our next cash stuffing, and that's 30 here. Clothing has 50, 75. So fun has, let's check, winter 50, 70, 85. So 85 in winter, plus we have started on spring already, and spring has 5. So 90 in total in fun. And then gifts have 50, 100, 150, 155. In gifts, 155 in gifts. So our next binder is our Johnny Cash binder, and health is first, and health has across all categories. Let's check. So dentist has 250, plus therapy has 215. Physio has 20, 30, plus medicine has 20, 30, 1, 2, and 3, so 33, plus miscellaneous has 50, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, and 95. So in total, that's 623 in health across all categories. And then we have holidays. We're working on Valentine's Day, and it has 10, 15, 16, 17, and 18 in holidays so far. And then we have rollover. Rollover has 1 and 2, and that is going in here. So rollover is 2. Oh. And then travel has, let's check, 500, 600, 650, 670, 690, 710, 720, 725, 726, 7 and 8. So 728 plus what we have in Maldives. So at the end of the month, the Maldives envelope will definitely be depleted. I do have a mixture of dollar bills and euro bills because I will have to pay with dollars in Maldives, but I will count the euro amounts that are in here. So we have 720 in hotels. Then we have dining 150. We have in groceries 115, and in miscellaneous we have 150. So in total, that's 1,863 in travel. And hopefully that I won't spend all of this on my trip, and I'll have some rollover to put back into my main travel envelope. But I always budget for my trips more than I think I will spend, because I remember what happened in London when I missed my flight and I needed the money to pay for a new flight for a hotel room. So it's always better to have saved more than less. So our long-term sinking funds binder, we're starting with babies. Babies has 150, 51, 2, 3, and 4. So 154 in babies. Car is next. And car has 150, 60, 65, 6, 7, and 8. So 168. And then emergency has 1,000, 2,000, 2,100, 20, 40, 50. So 2,150 in emergency. And then home has 150, 51, 2, 3, and 4. So 154 And then pets have, I can't sometimes pick the bills up because they're stuck. Oh my god. 155 in pets. 155 in pets. Retirement, let's check. Have 20, 40, 60, 65, and 66 in retirement. Great. So let's go on to savings. So I do have my leftover money from my January mystery monthly savings challenge. So I think that I will move this money from here into savings for now. And then if during the year I feel like I need to redistribute this into my other envelopes, because savings is like savings for anything without a real purpose. So if I feel like this money will do me better in actual sinking funds envelope or for a purpose, I will redistribute it. But for now, I'll just put it into savings. So let's count and see how much we're putting in. So 50, 100, 150, 160, 170, 180, 185, 190, 200, 50, 100, 150, 160, 170, 180, 185, 190, 195, 200, 201, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 214 is going into savings. And let me also maybe update the little tracker. So today is the 1st plus 214. Okay. And now we move on to technology, and technology has 155 and 6, so 156 in technology. And then weddings have 150, 51, 2, 3, and 4, so 154 in weddings. Great. So now let's, oh, this is gonna get stuck. Let's move on to our iridescent binder. Daisy Duke is done. Iridescent binder is this one. So we'll start with charity, and charity has 1. So Christmas is empty. We're gonna start stuffing it with the next cash stuffing. Etsy has 21, 2, and 3. So 23 in Etsy. And then tattoos and piercings have 50, 51, 2, and 3. So 53 in here. 53. And then we are on to our A5 binder. And let's move this away so we see. So 30 for 30 has, let me take out, so 1,000, 50, 70, 90, 1,101. So that's in 30 for 30. Subscriptions is next, and we have 3 envelopes, so we'll see. Credit card is empty, I believe. Yes, Spotify has 10, 11, 12, and 13. And then transport has 25. So 13 plus 25 is 38. Oh my god. So 13 plus 25 is indeed 38. Great. And then our last envelope is dedicated to our monthly savings challenge, which is the mystery kits. I do sell these on my Etsy shop. You can win one on my giveaway, which is still going on until the 5th of February, so you still have time to apply. But for the month of February, little drum roll please, I am allowing you the first glance in this monthly savings kit. This is beautiful baby pink background with little hearts. So this is kind of the kit you will get. So you will get a balance tracker, a letter, a savings challenge, and a laminated envelope. You can pick either the big one, or you can get the 8 by 8 centimeters, the mini one. So February, the envelope, I do have not the envelope, the letter. So I have here explained everything about how I decided to focus February for self-love, because it is Valentine's Day and it's all about self-care, self-love, self-acceptance, and that's why I have created this little save up and pamper yourself later challenge. There are 20 icons that all correspond to like self-care, food, I don't know, candy, books, and etc. So you can set the each denomination and the total goal you have for this month. I have decided to save up this money for a nail appointment, so I will do, each icon will consist of €2, so there's 20 icons in total. In total, that's going to be €40. You can do either one every day or however, so I'm going to be stuffing this every paycheck, and also I will probably stuff from day to day from like my rollover money or whatever. So at the end of the month I will have €40 that are gonna be allocated to either my nails or my facial or anywhere that like I do believe that I will pamper myself, so a haircut or whatever. So this is going to be monthly savings challenge for February, and the goal for February is going to be €40. So this is gonna go straight into this little baby pink beautiful envelope together with the challenge, and that's gonna go into our A5 binder. And then you're gonna see throughout the month how I do on this challenge, how fast I can save up for this. And I thought that this is just very cute because you can set up the amount you want. Everybody's budget is different, everybody's needs are different, so you can literally save how much you want and spend on whatever you want. So that's for this, but we have to update the total in our little tracker. So for monthly savings challenge, we are starting with 0 because it's a brand new month. So let's calculate the total, grand total for the beginning of the month for our sinking funds, and then we will set a goal for the end of the month. We will see if we can hit this. So in total, we have €7,922. So I know that I'm going to spend a fair amount in travel at the end of the month. So I'm not going to do a really high goal. I'm going to put a goal of at least 7,500 at the end of the month to have, and we will see if we can hit this. But yes, that was all for today's video. I'm going to be back, I think, on Sunday, where we're going to do a cash stuffing and picking up the winners for my giveaway. I'm very excited for that. You still have time to apply, so hurry, hurry, hurry. But yes, that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. We have fun over here. I'll be back very soon with more videos, but in the meanwhile, I wish you a very wonderful day, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!